Hi guys, welcome back to Enigma Inc. This is your psychic intuitive tarot reader, Enigma. So today we're going to do Scorpio, the much awaited reading, bonus readings in English. If you want to watch my readings in Hindi, I do have an Hindi channel. You can go and subscribe me there. And also you can follow me on Instagram for regular updates and offers and July Instagram predictions as well. Alright. So let's begin. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, especially Sun, then watch Moon, then watch Rising, and then watch Venus if you have time. Otherwise, Sun sign is must. Alright, according to the Western astrology, I do these readings. So let's check your energy. What's Scorpio's energy in July 2020, please? Okay, let's just keep this aside. Scorpio, I feel that you're missing someone. You're thinking a lot about someone, a situation that could not flourish, could not happen, could not work. There was distancing with someone, there was a breakup, there was a fallout of some kind with someone. This person could be a Virgo, this person could be a Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, need not be the signs, but they're in this energy right now. Okay, so what I feel is that either I feel that this person has been missing you. This person could be from your workplace and they've been thinking a lot about you. I feel that as I found out your energy, right? So I feel that this person could be from your workplace, and I feel you both are, missing each other a lot. Yeah, like you both are thinking about the times you've had in your before at your workplace, most of you. And now that this is all over, now you both feel hurt from each other, backstabbed from each other. I feel this is some kind of an energy that I get. What is their energy towards my Scorpios? Please tell me, what is their energy towards my Scorpios? Okay. Yeah, I feel that they're watching you a lot on social media. And yeah, this is your energy that you're feeling really stuck and you're feeling like everything is over, nothing's gonna work out. Okay, on those lines. And with this person's energy, I feel this person is missing you or watching you a lot on social media, and they might be having someone else at the background as well. They might be committed to someone as well, so be careful about that. What are their feelings towards my Scorpions? Oh, okay, so let's see their feelings towards my Scorpions. So yeah, so they have been trying to be coming towards you, but making a very slow step towards you. Okay, they're taking very slow steps towards you. All right, Scorpio, and they have feelings. They see you like a good friend. I feel that right now you're just in a friend zone kind of a situationship, or they see you like a friend. Okay, so basically they're looking for justice. They're looking for a fair game. They want things to work out in both of your favor. They want equal give and take. They want revenge if you did anything unintentionally to them. So this is what they're doing. So with this, I feel that they are seeing you like someone that makes them really happy, that makes their day go gaga. Okay, so you get them excited. They see you as an exciting person. They're passionate towards you, but they're taking very, very slow steps towards you. Some of you, this person could be a younger person. Okay, much younger or immature energy. What is the outcome between Scorpio and this person? All right. Whoa, did you see that? There's going to be a new beginning with them, and it's going to be a passionate new beginning. All right, so this is going to be a passionate new beginning with this person. Yeah, but they're going to take their time. Okay, so let us see when they're going to approach you. Okay, let me check another set of oracle cards for this. So when are they going to approach my Scorpios? I feel that you must be strongly dealing with an Aries, Sag, Leo, or a Libra. Okay. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer in rare situation. So when are they making a move towards you? Oh wow, they're gonna offer you something, something romantic. They're gonna make a romantic offer to you. All right. So be open to that and wait. So the cards really don't want to tell you exactly when, but just that you need to be more patient because they're gonna take their time. They're gonna see their comfort, okay, before they approach you. They're gonna look out when is it comfortable, not the right time. So I feel that it's not now, but sooner or later it's gonna work. Unlikely because I feel that the situation still will remain messed up. Even if they come back to you, it's still going to stay messed up. So the outcome was the Ace of Wands. Okay. But also see that this person is not coming towards you because they want some kind of a justice from you. Okay, they want to give you the dose of your own medicine. That is why they're keeping the weight open, and they're also having options open. And they're watching you on social media a lot, and they get excited when they see you. Okay, so let me just I also feel that this person sees you like a friend. So there's going to be a new passionate beginning. Otherwise, from a friendship to a relationship, there is a chance of that. Okay, so what's going on in their life in general? What's going on in their life in general? Okay. I feel that right now they are very, very stable in whichever position they are. They might be having some affairs or they might be committed to someone. So I don't feel that there's going to be a commitment happening to you because there's someone else in the background and this person is not really opening up to with you. So this person is right now is feeling very lucky because they're having their wish fulfilled. They have love in their life, they have money in their life, so they're pretty much really in a very happy zone right now. Okay, so let me see what else. Their energy towards my Scorpio, please. Okay, their energy towards you. So they want to tell you that they're safe, they're not gonna hurt you or they're not gonna cheat to you, something on those lines. I feel that they want you to open up to them. Okay, they want you to open up to them because this person is quite positive when it comes to having a relationship with you. So they're quite positive. Also feel that they're very attracted to you. And I feel that with the lover cards, it can also mean that many people are attracted to this person. Okay, this person could be a Gemini, Sagittarius, or a Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. So yeah, I feel that uh, they want to spend an alone time with you. They want to get to know you because they don't really know you fully, and they want some time to know what are your likes, what are your dislikes. And yes, there's need to be a forgiving and learning that needs to happen between you guys. So I feel that you need to forgive this person. Okay, this person wants your forgiveness, or it can be a vice versa situation as well. So how are things going to be between the Scorpio and this person? So how are things going to be in future between the Scorpio and this person? So yeah, okay, I feel that they will come up with a communication, and the communication might not be very legit. It not be very. This person will come up with a lots of communication. Okay, but they have some complexes. They have some superiority complex, and they don't want to be let down by you. And they see you as someone who's quite successful, quite independent, and that is why they are not really able to they will come up with a very positive attitude, but then they will kind of go into a cocoon kind of a condition because they will get insecure of your popularity in general or the way you're keeping your life set. So that is why there is a chance that this person will stop communication in between and might go on towards someone new. And yes, this person could be someone from a faraway place, not from your background. So I feel that there is a chance that this person might feel negative thoughts when it comes to you, might feel rejected by you, even though you're not rejecting this person. This person may have some kind of negative thoughts, like, what if she rejects me or he rejects me? So it's better that I leave before face this. Okay, on those lines. Let me just pull some last set of cards to see what is the sun sign that you're going to deal with, that are coming towards. Let's see what are those signs that are coming towards you. Scorpio, this is your sign. So I feel that Scorpio, you're going to be really, really active in your own aura, in your own energy. Scorpio, this is going to be the highlight of July. So going to focus on yourself, and you're also going to ask for relationship. You're also going to look for a very, very strong, loyal kind of a relationship, because that is something really important to you. So yes, this is what I feel, Scorpio. This is going to be your energy in July. You're going to be very passionate, even if it comes to work, if it comes to love situation, anything. You'll show passion in anything that comes up. Who else is coming towards you? Oh my God, you're going to meet another Scorpio, or it can be like that you are going to become transformed into an eagle. You know that Scorpio turns into an eagle, and then it becomes into an unbeatable phoenix. So I feel that there's going to be a transformation. You're going to get stronger, you're going to become more positive, and this will be a time you guys must be having moon and sun in Scorpio together as well. So yeah, there is a chance that you're going to strengthen your Scorpion qualities or traits in the month of July. You're going to see that you're much more transformed in career, in love, anything that comes up, and you'll be more passionate towards anything. And yes, I feel that home will be very important for you in July, and some of you might have Cancer coming around to them. Okay, this person could be a sensitive person. Some of you are focusing, most of you I feel that are focusing on money, practicalities, and this is giving you self-confidence. Okay, and I feel that you need to work on your financial position, because this is a very good month for finances, and there is a chance that a Taurus might approach you in July. Okay, so one last card, let me just check what is your energy in career front. What is going to be their energy in when it comes to career? How will be their job or career be? How will be their job or career be? Scorpio. So yeah, I feel that Scorpio, there must be some enemies around you at your workplace. Okay, you must be dealing with a Pisces as well, and there has been a bit of a conflicted situation with the Pisces, and I feel that this is going to arise again. This situation, conflicted situation, is going to come up again, and this person could be a younger person, because I see see the age difference. So yeah, you're going to be very questionable. Okay, you question this person a lot, and I feel that there's going to be a sense of um, jealousy from coming up from this person at workplace. Yeah, so I feel that you're going to excel at work, because you're going to stay focused, you're going to stay strong, you're not going to back down to any kind of opposition that may come up. But you're dealing with someone who is deep inside jealous of you, or is seeing you like an enemy, who's not letting you go, and and at the same time is not giving you the love that you or respect that you deserve. Okay, so this is what I get. Someone is watching you on social media a lot. So there's this energy around Scorpio. So look around for that. That's it, guys. If you did like this reading, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comment section how did it get resonated. Till then, bye bye, guys.